Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I did a video just yesterday on this. And I stated in that video that I had a hotkey for the interactive fill tool, which is G. But I don't have one. Somebody asked me, why don't you have one for the smart fill tool? Couldn't you just make one for the smart fill tool? And yes, you could. Because the advantage of this, now I have to just hit G and I've got my interactive fill tool. And I can hit my space bar and get back to a pick tool. But let's make a hotkey. So what I can do is go to Windows. I lost my train of thought. Tools, options, customization. And you could go to commands and you could type in smart fill right here. If my computer will let me do it. It still gets loading up. Sorry about that. Or the one, you can either type in smart fill. See, I don't know, my computer's messing up today. So you could type in smart fill, which is this one right here with the bucket, and go to short keys, shortcut key, add a new one. So everything on my deal is taken. F is not taken. So I'm going to say F. So I've got G for interactive, F for fill. And I'm going to sign it, but you have to hit OK. Now, you see I just got my pick tool. I'm going to hit F, and I have my smart fill tool. Then I hit G, and I have my interactive fill tool. It saves you a lot of time instead of going over here and pick which one you want. So there's my new hotkey. Now you're going to need to go to Tools and save as default. And then that time it'll have all these checked and that'll work. So now anytime I need the smart fill tool, I'm just going to hit F. Anytime I need the interactive fill tool, I'll hit G. And then you could add your black. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two. What I was going to say before if you don't know what the tool's called, if we go to Tools, Options, and Customization, instead of typing out, some people might say it's a fill tool. Well, if you go right here to the Smart Fill tool, it will bring it up. And see, there's my F key. So anytime you need something like Interactive Fill tool, it brings that up. And there's my hotkey for that. So you don't have to type in anything. You could just, if we wanted mesh fill. I don't use mesh fill enough, but I've got an M, or Corel has an M for mesh fill. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.